Top of the morning to y'all. I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving and y'all didn't eat too much jive turkeys, and couldn't get up the next morning and was all comatose and couldn't even go to work. Who actually worked on Black Friday? Who actually had enough energy and didn't have enough niggeritis that they couldn't go to work? Who actually went to work and burned some of them calories off and some of that turkey off when cleaning some windows? Who comment below and let me know who actually worked the next day. I sure did. I got it in, brother. I got it in like Flint. So today I have a mod. It's a simple mod. I'm gonna release this mod because it's not that big of a deal. You know, I'm not keeping it to myself. You know, the ones that I keep to myself is the ones I have plans for. I got big plans for. But the Dane 824. That sounds like the way he puts it. It's like, yeah, man, I'm the Fonz. Hey, I'm the Fonz. The Dane 824. That's the boy you want to get at. Holla at me. The Dane. I am called the Dane. But anyway, Dane 824, man, you said if you were serious about what you said, I know you said that you will buy any of my designs, and I'm happy that you recognize that I have something that I made for myself and it works out good for me, and it probably would work out good for you too. I'm gonna make that happen for you, bro, because I mean, I don't do that for everybody, but you know, maybe you got something here. Maybe I should start, making it for people and selling it online or Facebook or something. I don't know. But private message me and we'll talk about it, and I'll get it done for you. If you really want to, I'll get it done for you, and we'll talk about the price and all that stuff. Unless you want to wait till my next contest, because I got something I'm probably going to put together for another contest, but that may not happen for a while. You may want to get a hold of that soon, sooner than later. So it's 6:30 in the morning, and I got some shop work to do. So this simple mod, I haven't really tried it out in the field. I just put it together last night, but watch the video, and at the end of the video, I am going to explain what I did and why I did it. I guess that's, pretty much it. This weekend, we have M.A.W, rocking with M.A.W weekends. Hold on one second. I got to pay this little toll. All right, so this weekend, we have rocking with M.A.W weekends. So, I know what I'm going to play, but I don't have any requests, nor have I had any for the last few weeks. So, I'm taking requests on a specific genre that some of you may be interested in bebopping to while you're at work, whether it be hip-hop, reggae, old school house, classic R&B, soul, and yes, even classical for you hold fast type enthusiasms. But comment below and let me know. First come, first serve for Saturday. And then if there's someone for Sunday, then they got that too. So yes, it'll be a mix of your choice for a genre of your choice, so you can enjoy music while you're working. Johnny Kimmel does it. I do it. Who else does it? You see, music soothes the savage beast. Music gets me in the zone. It's like spinach as it is to Popeye. And it's like kryptonite as it is to Superman if you take it away. If I don't have my music, I lose my mojo. I gotta have it. Gotta have it. The mojo, the music, it keeps me in the zone, and that's what helps me stick and move, baby. Stick and move. Even if you throw a brick at my head while I'm cleaning windows, I won't flinch. I'll just keep cleaning because I'm that good. When I get focused and in the zone, man, it ain't nothing that can stop me. I stick and move. Bip, bop, bam, alakazam. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and let's get into it.